Welcome to a new section of the channel that I'm calling Members Projects. Now, one of my members has been in touch with me and he sent me a few photographs and a little bit of a write-up on one of his projects that he's recently acquired. Now, this Buick originally belonged to one of Gary's friends who we'd known for more than 40 years. Sadly, Gary's mate passed away at the beginning of 2025, leaving the car sitting at his property. Obviously, his family needed to clear the property, and in order to do that, they're trying to sell the car on, find someone who'll be willing to take it on, maybe do some work on it, or find some use for the car. However, they were only being offered scrap value for it. So the family got in touch with Gary and asked him if he would be able to help them out a little bit with it. That was when Gary's partner, Judith, suggested that maybe they should take it on and see if they could do anything with it. And as Gary has far too many projects, he obviously did the right thing. Hired a trailer, roped a friend in with a tow bar on his car, and headed south from the northeast of the UK all the way down to Norwich to pick up his new toy and bring it home. As you can see, it does have some rust, mainly in the floor pans and the lower few inches of the body panels as well. The chassis, however, is amazingly solid and it's in great condition. The only other problems are a locked up engine, which, as Gary says, isn't really an issue because he's a long way from worrying about whether that engine's going to run or not as yet. And there's also the missing trim and the rear lights, which were removed at some point and stored for safety, but unfortunately no one knows where they are. However, as luck would have it, Gary and Judith are off to the USA this year on holiday, and Gary's thinking that planning a visit to Desert Valley Auto Parts in Arizona might be a worthwhile idea to see what parts of trim and lights, etc. he can find while he's there. You can also see in this picture that Gary's already started to do the repairs with the driver's side rear floor pan fully replaced, so a few more months of welding and that Buick will be structurally sound again. While we're talking about members cars, if you want to see your project featured on my channel in a video just like this one that I'm doing for Gary, or you have a YouTube channel and you'd like me to promote that with maybe a couple of photos of your projects on my channel as well, get in touch. If you click on the join button just below here, you'll see there's 3 levels. And now the high tier, which is the Dodge Charger level, that's the one that gives you access to having the ability to send me some photographs by email and a little bit of a write-up, and then I'll put a video together for you like this, and we'll highlight your car so people can see what you're getting up to. And if you already have a YouTube channel, obviously I'll promote the YouTube channel for you and see if we can direct some subscribers or viewers across so they can see exactly what you're doing with your project on your channel. Now, Gary's already poured a mix of diesel and transmission fluid down the bores of the engine in the hope that by the time all the welding's finished on the car, the engine will have freed up and he can get that turning over and then do the work that needs to get it up and running again and putting it in the car so he can get ready to use the car. And of course, we all know that nothing really ever goes according to plan, but Gary's certainly hoping that he'll be able to have the Buick running, driving and out on the road in 2027, so he can take it to Fins and Chrome, the northeast of England's biggest American car show that happens annually towards the end of May. Well, what can I say? Gary, thank you so much for sending me those few photographs and that video clip of your Buick and that little bit of write-up that went through there. Sincerely hope and wish you all the good luck in getting that on the road and getting it running again. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be worth doing. If anybody else out there is still watching and you've managed to get this far through it, obviously if you're a car person, you'll know that the condition in which Gary's Buick's in at the moment is the way a lot of us buy our cars, because they're more affordable that way, and then we have the entertainment of putting them back together. I mean, I say entertainment, I use the word entertainment very loosely because it's more often than not, it's not entertaining at all. It's filthy and scruffy, but we enjoy it. At least we tell ourselves we're enjoying it. The only thing now is, Gary, all the people that have watched this video are going to want to know more about your car and they're going to want more updates on your car. So you're either going to have to send me more updates on the car as and when you get work done, or you could always revive your old channel that you've got sitting there. Now, I haven't put the name of your channel on screen or in the comments. If you want to do that, feel free to put the name of your channel in the comments so people can go and see the information on your Cresta estate and the Pontiac Firebird that you've currently got on the road as well. Judith, tell him to start a YouTube channel, to get his YouTube channel up and running again. It'd be much easier if we did that. Just think, all the information he's going to be able to find online, he's going to be able to put into practice on the channel, and hopefully he'll get monetized and he'll make enough money to buy all the parts he needs for the Buick, and hopefully enough money to run the thing when it's up and running again. Get him told, Judith. Support him. Keep supporting him the way you are. Get him told, get the channel revived, and get all the information of the Buick on there as you're both doing the work on it. Because we all need a partner like Judith, somebody who supports us mere souls as we go blindly through life making disastrous financial decisions and thoroughly enjoying ourselves while we do it.
pressure, I torque it down right into the night. Like, subscribe, come back again for builds, burns, and gearhead friends.
Now, if you've enjoyed seeing one of my members' cars, caress the like button on the way out. Consider subscribing to the channel to see more stuff like this. And if you want to see more information on Gary's Buick and the work he's doing and how far he's getting with the progress of it, leave a comment below and direct it at Gary. I'm sure he'll read all the comments, and you never know, he may even respond to them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.